To keep Do Not Disturb on for a certain duration after you enable it on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find notification. Tap notification and then tap Do Not Disturb. Tap for how long. Next, select the second option. By default, it sets to 1 hour. Set the desired duration. As the example, we will set it to 2 hours. To do so, tap the plus icon until it shows 2 hours. Tap OK button to save the change. By doing this, each time you enable Do Not Disturb manually, the Do Not Disturb mode will stay on until the duration you set is over. In this case, the Do Not Disturb will stay on for 2 hours after you enable it manually. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.